perfection, baby. Out goes, yeah. Yeah. What the street saying? The out spit that rock, and he run the fucking block like he relaying. Your swag on the ground, and I'm the repavement. If you a snitch of the hood, walk a police station. They pull that thing from the hip and have your knees shaking. They leave you ghosts in the whole nine. While I was spitting dope, you niggas was spitting crack lines. Looney bars, white jackets couldn't strap mine. Swag crazy, got them faded like old wine. I ain't afraid to fly, I spit that lyric talk. Fresh tape with the waves and let my beard hawk. The coupe horses engaged, I let my gears talk. A half a pint of some haze, I might steal off. So don't start players, this is if you're smart. It ain't smart, why I mix a bunch of guppies with a shark. First the caddy wouldn't start, now I'm thinking better wheels. Gotta get up out my spot, I'm thinking mansions on the hills. But it's hard to stay focused when you scrambling for bills. My balls like bullets, if I spit them you get killed. You a rookie on the field, out for all-time stat holder. Broke niggas ain't eating like it's Passover. I'm the shit, you can smell me like a bad odor. I like a dime bitch, skinny waist, fat chocha. I'm on my mob shit, Frank Luke, Meek Sosa. Yeah. Go my young boy. Get him, KG.
I'ma do it, I'ma get him for you. Shit, this is real shit that I rap to you. Just listen, not fiction, shot spit and blow half through you. Hold shells like an Easter egg. Talk, read the kid. I start the roll blunt, stick it in the read the leg. I do things that you dudes can't, and I'm the best thing that happened to the hood like food stamp. Money stacked high, I think I need a yardstick. The guard sick, just step back and guard quick. I fly high like planes when your arms lift. So ill in the game, with some LeBron-ish. I'm way more than you used to. You smaller than a baby midget chicken poo scooper. Money sky high, need an infinite rule. You $5 regular, I'm 14 super. You look soft like you washed with a Luther. You rhyme like you stole your lyrics from old Luther. You came with the wrong armor, and I'm hotter than the 3 sweatsuits in the thermal when it's sauna. Nigga, you a goner. The way I cook it all hot in the pot, watch it rock like a sauna. The way I cook it, you thought that it was kitchen food. I had this nigga laying in the box like the kittens do. I'm a tsunami, you a splash from a swimming pool. Winning in the game, motherfucker, watch the haters.
Your boy shining, I got the Bruce Leroy glow. And for the paper, ain't a place that we won't go. I got balls that'll destroy flows and let it melt. And shorty got a drip and dive in it like I'm Phelps. My closet like a store, keep it stocked up like a shelf. Cause it's money, power, respect, trap or die, nothing else to drop. Lose the top when I'm out in the V. Casually, puffin' on an ounce of the D's. The hood rats on my money like I'm out on the cheese. I wouldn't even break a dollar cause it's off my seat. Hustling, just in the city grinding with ease. The Gore-Tex black jeans and the armor fatigue, part of my G.